This is why I say you shouldn't let balloons go in the air. Like, I can go home. I saw something pop up. Oh, there's dolphins! It's a sea lion! Oh, I'm so happy. Hi, room. I'm gonna be driving one of those. What's up, y'all? My name's Aviana Zurin, and I produce lots of travel content, outdoor activities, and let's not forget personal watercraft content. So we brought another video to you guys from Uncharted Society, and I'm here with Balboa Water Sports.
Basically, if we were looking straight down on top of ourselves, we're right here where the black dot used to be. I'm going to shoot you off from the end of the dock right there, and then you're basically going to aim towards where that show boat is. There's a yellow buoy out there that's always covered in sea lions. I would recommend going and saying hi to the sea lions real quick, and then hanging right after that.
Well, hopefully I'll see sea lions, because I saw one yesterday. I can't believe I didn't see any dolphins.
Well, hopefully.
And there's no worries. All you need to come with is your bathing suit to wear underneath the wetsuit that they'll provide, especially if it's chilly. Sometimes the weather's so good, you won't even need the wetsuit. And they give you a PFD, also known as a life jacket. So all you need to bring is all the energy for all the fun you're about to have. So when you rent here, they show you on the map of where you're allowed to go and where you're not allowed to go. And you don't have to stay right there in a certain area where they can see you. They have GPS tracking, so they know where you're at all times. All they request is that you stay away from the jetties. That's understandable. And also stay away from shoreline about 2,000 feet. But you can go about 3 miles offshore. Now, that's a lot of fun, especially for a rental company. All right, enough talking. Come on and ride away with me.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full.
There it is! I saw something pop up. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is! It's a sea lion! Hey, friend! Hey, little buddy! Can we play? There it is! Oh, there's dolphins! I just saw some! Right there! Hey, buddy! Oh, that's a sea lion! Oh, how beautiful! Where'd you go, buddy? There they are. That was a dolphin. That one for sure was a dolphin. Every time you turn around, there's another one. And then another one. Oh, I'm so happy. Guys, I feel like I got it now. Like, I can go home. I can go home. I don't know. I saw sea lions and dolphins. I'm done. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. And there was a lot of them. Oh, right there. Yeah, I gotta keep the 360 on because, like, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. I've seen dolphins in Texas and I've seen dolphins in Florida, but I've never seen this many in one spot, like, and popping out and wanting to basically play. Well, let's go over there. Maybe there'll be more. Wow. It's already starting off to be a beautiful day. Oh, wow. That one was a big one. That was a big one. Hey, baby. Hey, you. Come on over here. Let's play. Oh, there's two. There's two. It may be a gloomy day, but it's still a good day. All right, I think I'm gonna be able to take off soon. We're about to clear the no wake zone. And I'm gonna head over there to that red buoy. I think I see some sea lions already just napping. All right, who's ready to ride? Because I am. Let's go. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Let's not get super wet in the beginning, at least in the beginning. Oh, they're there! They're there! Woohoo! They're all relaxing right now. Oh, look, one's even trying to get up. Let's not bother them, but, you know, just get close enough. They are sleeping. Look at them. Wow. Oh, he's trying to get up. He's like, move over. I want to take a nap too. Oh, he got up. He got up. Finally, he got up. Okay, bye guys. Maybe I'll see you later. I'm gonna go check out the dolphins now.
I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full.
Look what I just came across. This is why I say you shouldn't let balloons go in the air, because they end up in the ocean. And a poor sea lion or dolphin, sea turtle can get stuck on this. All right, go ahead and pick it up. Pop it. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, it got all over the ski. It's okay. We're gonna rinse it. Let's go put it in the compartment. So guys, make sure if you're watching the videos, don't let balloons go in the air into the sky. I know it's a cute thing to do, but see how it just was in the middle of the Pacific? And you don't want those poor little sea lions, you know, getting stuck on it, or sea turtles or dolphins. And this will help protect all the marine life and also keep the earth clean. All right, let's put this up and then, ooh, look how dirty I am now. Look. And hopefully y'all enjoyed today's ride. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, or give the Sea Lions a thumbs up. Hey, they're the ones out here working hard. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you comment them down below. Or if you just want to tell me how much fun you had, go ahead and put that there. It helps motivate me to make sure I take y'all on more rides. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell right next to it. That'll alert you of when I upload videos. Who knows? I can be in your area next. And one more thing. If you would like to go on any tours or interested in renting a SeaDoo or Can-Am or Ski-Doo, go ahead and go to Uncharted Society. They have plenty of tours, and I'm gonna put their link with their website down below. And when you book a tour, tell them Avian sent you. But until next time, see you guys on the water.